If you've been looking for the next big thing in AI software, then you're going to want to hear about Relately AI. This just released software promises to change how businesses interact with their customers automatically. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about Relately AI so you can decide if it's the right tool for you. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing how you can try Relately AI for free. First things first, Relately AI is all about revolutionizing customer communication. It's designed to streamline the way businesses interact with customers through intelligent automation. So if you're tired of manually managing customer interactions, this software can handle a lot of that for you. One of the biggest selling points of Relately AI is its ease of use. When you first get into it, you'll notice that the setup process is quick and intuitive. Even if you're not tech savvy, you can hit the ground running with minimal effort. Relately AI makes it simple for you to automate responses, personalize interactions, and create a seamless experience for your customers. Another thing that stands out is its advanced personalization features. Unlike other tools that just send generic responses, Relately AI analyzes customer data to deliver highly personalized, context-aware messages. This can significantly improve customer satisfaction and engagement rates, something every marketer or business owner wants. Let's talk about integration. If you're using popular platforms like Shopify, HubSpot, or even Zapier, Relately AI integrates effortlessly with those, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. It's designed to blend smoothly into your existing ecosystem, making it easy to leverage all your existing tools and systems without having to completely overhaul everything. The AI itself is powered by cutting-edge technology. It uses natural language processing and machine learning to understand customer intent, which means the software can handle complex conversations with ease. Whether you're answering simple questions or tackling more detailed inquiries, Relately AI learns from each interaction to improve future responses. Relately AI isn't just for customer support. It can also help you boost your marketing efforts. The platform includes powerful automation features that let you schedule personalized follow-ups, send promotions, and even create content tailored to specific customer segments. This means you can save time and focus on the strategic side of your business, while Relately AI handles the repetitive tasks. Another key feature worth mentioning is the analytics dashboard. With Relately AI, you can track all interactions, customer behavior, and engagement levels. This helps you fine-tune your marketing strategies and customer service approach in real time. You get insights into what's working and what needs improvement, which is crucial for any business that wants to grow and stay competitive. Finally, there's the scalability of the software. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Relately AI can scale with you. It's built to handle an increasing volume of customer interactions without sacrificing performance or quality. As your business grows, the software grows with you, making it a long-term solution for your needs. Now, if you want to give Relately AI a try for yourself, I've got a link to a completely free trial in the description below. I've tried out thousands of AI tools in my time, and I have to say, Relately AI has quickly become one of my top recommendations. In fact, after testing so many AI softwares, I've curated a list of the best ones for you. You can find them all in the description below, so be sure to check them out after watching this video. If you're looking for a game-changing AI that can boost your business, automate tasks, and enhance customer relationships, Relately AI is definitely worth considering. Give it a shot and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.